In this presentation, I'm going to cover OpenClaw, an open source viral AI agent project that launched in January 2026. So the goal here is to look past the viral growth and understand how this AI tool shifts the dynamic from basic chat interfaces towards autonomous collaboration. OpenClaw was developed by Peter Stattenberg and went through a few name changes from Clawdbot to Moltbot before settling on its current name, OpenClaw. So unlike standard cloud-based chatbots, this is a local agent. It operates with full system access, meaning that it can interact directly with your files, terminals, and browser. It uses a heartbeat mechanism to remain active and can integrate into standard messaging apps like Slack or WhatsApp. The adoption rate has been high, reaching over 100,000 GitHub stars in less than a week when it launched. Currently, there are about more than 20,000 public instances running. So while the community has compared it to a Jarvis-style interface, the more practical metric is the registry of 500 plus community-contributed skills that extend what the agent can actually do on your local machine. There are three functional pillars to OpenClaw. First, it has persistent memory, so it maintains context across your sessions rather than starting fresh every time. Second, the heartbeat, which allows the agent to initiate contact, sending you a briefing or a reminder without waiting for a prompt. Finally, it handles direct automation. For example, it's been used to triage high volumes of email by executing shell commands and managing calendars autonomously. So we are now seeing a move away from reactive cloud-based tools towards proactive local agents. The AI project suggests a shift where AI functions less like a search box and more like a digital worker that has eyes and hands at a virtual desk. This transition from conversation to direct action is what distinguishes OpenClaw from previous chatbot products and services, but still there is some similarity. From an organization perspective, this marks the start of an agentic economy. McKinsey has projected significant economic output from these types of tools by 2030. So for the end user, the shift is about moving from manual task management to a strategy-first approach, where the human sets the objective and the AI agent will handle the execution path. The most interesting and fascinating part is an ecosystem now. So Moltbot is the ecosystem like Reddit, where these agents are interacting, currently hosting more than 150,000 agents. So we have seen some unusual emergent behaviors in this ecosystem, ranging from agents proposing their own communication protocols to the formation of digital communities. However, as the risk metrics will show, the scale increases the probability of unintended system failures and data leakages. And there are supposedly a lot of practical applications and the costs associated. So on a practical level, OpenClaw is being used for automated debugging, habit tracking, and managing smart home IoT. The economic argument for a local model is straightforward because it avoids the monthly subscription fees of cloud services while offering higher levels of automation through local system access. But we have to address the security implications. Giving any software full access to your system is a significant risk. Hence, prompt injection also remains a fundamental issue. The standing recommendation is to never give this agent or any AI agent access to your primary machine. It should be isolated in a sandbox environment or restricted to read-only mode.